Well, good morning. This is Dave Johnson with Day Trade the Markets. We've just been filled long here at 21.57 on two contracts. Trying to get filled also at another two down there at 55.25. So we'll see if we can get that. You can see I've got my stop in there, protective sell stop at 21.52.75. So obviously this market has had a really nice run up pre-election and post-election. Markets come down to support here after having a pretty good sell-off here. As you can see, we had a nice gap opening higher up in here, right here, had a good move up, but a very nice sell-off here. This last wave of selling was tested here. It was rejected, but anticipating it's going to come back down to this support area and then go back up above and test up into here. So I'm going to go ahead and we're long just two because I'm trying to get long these other two down here. So I'm going to go ahead, we're long from 57. I'm going to put a sell limit in at 61. That would be a 4-point gain on that. So we'll see what we can get out of that. I think we've got everything in place. I'll go ahead and pause the recording. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and move that buy limit up right there. I want to get in another two right away. Let's see if I can get filled on this. Oh, okay, we just got filled. So we're now long 4 from 57.75, and I'm going to go ahead and increase the stop up to here to 55. So we got a 2 3/4 point stop on that, and I'm also going to adjust this to two contracts. We're long from 57. I'm going to put it here at 60.75. See how we can do on that. That would be a 3-point profit on the first half of the position. So got everything in place here, got the stop in, got our first objective in. I'll just let the recording go. In other words, I'll pause it right now and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarted the recording. It looks like we're getting really close to getting filled here. Just came within a tick of our objective, so just want to bring you up to date on that. I'm going to go ahead and put in a marker here. Okay, we just got filled on that. So I'm just going to make a couple of these markers. We just got filled at 60.75. I'm going to raise the stop up here to break even. And obviously the number of contracts I need to reduce down to 2 because we only have 2 contracts left on this. So go ahead and put that as our break even for right now. So now the next objective here is still up a little bit higher at this level right in here, which is roughly at 64. So I think we'll just use a trailing stop here. And let's see here, 63.75. I'm going to go ahead and put in order to sell one of the remaining 2 contracts that we have up close to this level of resistance. So we'll see how we do on that. But we do have our break-even stop the second half of the position with a 3-point profit on the first half. So I'll go ahead and pause recording and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the recording here. You can see the market just had a bounce up here. It hit 63. Our objective was 63.75. So I'm going to just adjust the stop up and bring it up just a little bit here. The last tip that we had was here, so I'm going to bring it up just a point below that. So 59, we'll put it at 58, 58.75. We'll lock in a point on these final 2, and hopefully we get another little bounce here and come up and hit our objective. So just want to bring you up to date on the adjustment on that stop, and I should also move this here so we know where that stop is. Okay, that's it. Now I'll stop the recording or pause it and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarted the recording here. You can see the market has come down to within a tick of our stop, so just wanted to bring you up to date on that. Okay, now we've just got a deceleration bar, which is good. You can see the triangle at the bottom of it. So the selling has decelerated. The expectation is that the high of this bar get taken out. It's already happened. We could get some follow through here, so that's looking good. Just want to bring you up to date on that. Once again, I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, just restarted the, okay, there we just got stopped. It's too bad it came up very close here. Well, it came within a point of our objective. So we made 1 point on one half of the position, which is on 2 contracts, so that's just 2 points there. But he did make 3 points on the first 2 each, so that was 6 there. So 8 points total on that particular trade. And in closing here, what I wanted to point out was that utilizing this software really gives us really good not only a view of the direction of the market, and we can talk more about that in other videos and so forth, but I think the key here is the trade entry location really ties us into getting or obtaining that really good trade entry location with this software. For example, when the market came up and tested into where this really strong selling occurred here, I should probably just so we can see the whole day here. Really good waves of selling all the way down through here. You can see all these magenta bars, which is our strongest selling bar. And you can see the market just kept coming down, down, down. Very, very aggressive selling. Finally came up towards the top of this one right here. These are high velocity moves. We did have a high velocity move off the low, which can be a shift in the intraday auction, I should say. It did come back down here. Notice it did not make a new low, and then it went above in here. So my thinking on this trade was it was going to pull back towards where this last wave of buying started, which is why we got long down in this area here with the objective of getting back up into here. So it basically unfolded as we thought. We did get stopped for just a small profit on the second half of the position, but that's okay. That's how it goes. So anyway, just wanted to give you a sort of a quick recap of why that trade was taken like that and why we had our objectives where we did. So that's Day Trade the Markets. Thank you very much for watching.